time from the date of his assuming office as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Telangana. Docket explosion has been plaguing our legal system for quite some time now. Resolution of legal disputes is one of the prime concerns of a free republic. Toward this end, my Lord the Honorable Chief Justice, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma ji has taken appropriate steps to mitigate the pendency of the cases. Identification of cases involving similar issues and hearing all such batch cases in one go has definitely cut down the pendency of the cases in the High Court of Telangana by some thousands. I am sure that by his novel approach, the pendency would be further cut short, and within a short time, the Telangana High Court would stand proud as the court with the least pendency. We thank my lords and assure that the bar would definitely and support for these benevolent measures. The state of Telangana, steered by Honorable Chief Minister Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, has been making rapid strides in the various fields, and in spite of the pandemic situation that exists, the state has provided all possible help to its people so that they can tide over the crisis periods. The health system has been augmented manifold, which has contributed largely to tide over the situation caused by the pandemic. Today, we can proudly claim that there is no barren land in the state of Telangana, and the state glows green with agriculture and planned tree plantation drive through programs like Haritaharam. As a strong republic, it is our duty to recognize the contribution of every citizen who in his own or her own way contributes to the building of a great nation. We are ever thankful to the jurists, the army men, the policemen, teachers, municipal staff, doctors and all health personnel, and every other countryman who contributes daily to the well-being and progress of the citizens. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. May I now request my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, to give his Lordship's message.
My esteemed brothers and sisters on the bench, Honorable B. Upendra and B. Manjula, Honorable former judges of the Honorable High Court, Mr. B.S. Prasad, Learned Advocate General of the State of Telangana, Mr. A. Narasimha Reddy, Chairman, Bar Council of Telangana, Mr. T. Suryakiran Reddy, Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. N. Rajeshwar Rao, Assistant Solicitor General of India, Mr. P. Ashok Gaur, President of the High Court Bar Association, learned members of the Bar, Registrars of the High Court, Director, Telangana State Judicial Academy, Member Secretary, Telangana State Legal Services Authority, staff members of the High Court, print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pride and pleasure I join you all in the celebrations of our Republic Day. On this auspicious occasion, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. On 26th of January 1950, the Constitution came into force and the people of India resolved to constitute themselves into a sovereign democratic republic. Though the draft Constitution was prepared in a short period of 3 months, but the Constituent Assembly, after due deliberations for a period of 166 days, adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949. It is well known that many lawyers gave up their practice and played key role in the freedom struggle. Some of them are lawyers who were involved in framing the laws that are governing a country. The drafting committee constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is one of the most important bodies responsible for creation of the Constitution of India. As rightly deserved, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was made the chairman of the drafting committee for his outstanding legal knowledge. Dr. Ambedkar is rightly acknowledged as the father of the Constitution. By virtue of the Constitution, our independent nation is ruled by a government elected by the individuals on the basis of social equality and is governed by rule of law. Under the Constitution, the judiciary is entrusted with the task of protecting fundamental rights and to test the validity of legislation on the touchstone of the Constitution provisions. The structure of the independent judiciary is built on foundation of integrity of judges. During the year 2021, we did overcome the challenges faced by COVID-19 pandemic. We have conducted physical hearings in the last quarter of year. There was no decrease in the institution of cases in the year. About 57,000 cases were instituted, and we could dispose of about 40,000 cases. It's a matter of immense satisfaction that it is a good accomplishment achieved with the cooperation of brother and sister judges and all learned members of the bar. On account of elevation of new 7 judges, the strength has marginally increased and some are more likely to come. It is a matter of pride that we have 6 women judges in the High Court, which I am told is the highest ever since this High Court was established. Even in the district judiciary, out of 434 judges, 221 are lady judges, 52% are lady judges. On account of appointment of 66 new civil judges in October 2021, 227 judges are in position against the sanctioned strength of 231 junior civil judges, and only 4 courts are vacant. During the year 2021, about 31 new courts in the district judiciary has been established. The High Court will carve out more judicial districts in commensurate with the revenue districts already created by the government of Telangana, keeping the territorial jurisdiction aspect in view. Another worth mentioning event in the legal system is the inauguration of International Arbitration and Mediation Center by the Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Shri N.V. Ramanna, on 18th of December 2021 at Hyderabad. I am personally thankful to Mr. Upendra and Mrs. Manjula, who were kind enough to accept my invite on behalf of all of us to grace this occasion. They need no introduction. Let us hope that the year 2022 will end all the sufferings and problems and will pave the normal way of life to all. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, my lord. Constitution of India, which came into force on 26 January 1950, guaranteeing right to life, liberty, equality and dignity to the people of India, is the result of many sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. And continuous enjoyment of the said rights is because of the sacrifices made by our defense personnel. And on this Republic Day, it has been felt most appropriate to honor the illustrious parents of a colonel, Sri Bikkumalla Upendra and his wife Srimati Bikkumalla Manjula, whose only son, Colonel Bikkumalla Santosh Babu, had sacrificed his life on 15th June 2020 during China-India's skirmishes, thereby protecting India from invasion. Mr. Colonel Santosh Babu joined the Indian Army in the year 2004 and was posted in Kashmir. In December 2019, at the age of 37, Santosh Babu became colonel. In his 15 years of service in the Indian Army, Colonel Santosh Babu served in Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Pakistan and China border. In 2007, he killed 3 infiltrators into the country in an army operation across the Indo-Pak border. For his bravery, he was awarded with Mahavir Chakra posthumously. I request Sri Bikkumalla Upendra and Srimati Bikkumalla Manjula to come over to the dais. I request Honorable the Chief Justice to honor Sri Bikkumalla Upendra and Srimati Bikkumalla Manjula. I thank Sri Bikumala Upenda and Srimati Bikumala Manjula for accepting the felicitation. And I also thank the Honorable the Chief Justice for honoring the couple. Now, to conclude the program, the national anthem by police band. Now, with the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, I declare that the function is concluded.